In life, many changes will come. It's for us to always continue to work to be the best version of ourselves and also strive to impact the people around us. Live, love, respect. Welcome to the vlog! How you doing?
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
Oh God. You don't know you're gonna make a Skylife in the building, y'all are them. Funny. Vex with me for a win. You didn't vex with me?
Yeah.
Oh God. Vex with me for a win enough for no reason. What you vex with me for?
No vex today, I lie.
Cho.
Lie. You just black and ugly with your friend.
Cho. We do what you and black and ugly.
Ugly, actually.
Are you an ugly bunny? Me not ugly. Me not ugly. Oh God. So where are you reaching now? You follow me go to the road? You can't follow go to the road when you see so?
No.
You don't see a steer real bad?
Me no see it.
Follow me go to the road, man. That crossroad. By the time I reach crossroad. Welcome to the vlog. How y'all doing today? Tired? Antoinette have 3 kids to take care of, or 4. Joe. Oh, morning. Morning. Bunny, go on about your business. I'm going to wait here with the water. So guys, this morning, I'm heading to the gym. You know, early in the morning, I like work, me I go. So, that me I do know. Me I walk on it. Me I walk on it. Yeah. Eh? What you talk? I even one ugly. Oh God. This is Miss Chin on the vlog. Morning. If you want vegetables, you get them there, rather, Miss Chin. You found out the road? So when you can walk on left, where you turn go over your yard for? You go over your yard for? Oh yeah. Hang up your bag.
How much?
Morning!
Yeah. 4.
No!
4.
Lady say we're in contract.
4.
So that's why she never called me back.
Let me chat to you, man. Where you send up?
Eh? So me tell her so she shouldn't call me. She should tell her that. Because yeah, that me tell her. Me say she daft, you see? I hope she know watch the vlog here. May I tell you? When me cut off this before me get on here. But if I nothing do. A gym me I go now. Yeah. You see gate open? How much one bag juice?
25 Jamaican.
Bag juice, 25.
Wow. Yeah, man, say man.
Morning, sir.
Watch him. You have a favorite kick him in a daddy.
You see, you alone an abuser. Lock you up. Say you could give me a bag juice and fi bring up me blood pressure.
I'm going to lick alone bring you up. Nothing more.
Carry the water, yeah. No, I'm going to go in your drink, yeah.
Yeah, sweet.
But my buckle of water more.
Let's buy one next one.
Sure.
Cheaper than
I free me get that one day.
Say cheap or
You
beer.
say I free me get that
I
one.
not care. Tell me that.
So, way back in the day when I just started the vlog, this is what we used to do. Walk on the road and vlog.
And get trouble.
Baby girl.
Trouble, man.
So, just a stroll in the street.
I want to go and stop today.
Morning. I'm there.
So I know you're good, see? Feel that.
Oh God. Ivani, tell me a really, really funny joke, please.
Huh?
Tell me a funny joke.
A funny joke?
Yeah.
Alright, this man now have one dog named.
You have to talk up in the camera.
This brother
Yeah.
have one dog named Pepper. See?
Mm-hmm.
So one day now him a go away and left his son to cook some soup.
That a pepper?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So the guy now, the man now said to his son, say, yo, remember if you put pepper in a pot here?
Yeah.
So now,
That time itself?
yeah. Well, I don't know, I dog, but wait no. The little boy now feel say I dog when him pepper him up. You put in a
Oh, I dog them pepper?
Yes. So remember we put pepper in the pot. So now when the man gone, I gone by business now and boss and the pot start boil up now. So that
One
the
in
boss
that?
has take up. Yeah. The boss has take up the dog and dash him in the pot now. Anyway, now even now but his father come back now and he say, Tom, you did put pepper in the pot? Yeah, Tom. Yes, mommy, pepper cook till pepper seed kill.
Ah, God!
You take me to
No, God, with face. Morning. Advance grow over this, so. Yeah, so just a stroll through the community as per usual. Probably get a drive out this stuff to go in a town and thing. Hit the gym. Probably spend an hour or so in the gym. Do some cardio. Today's legs day. I say me have to cuss off Flow Jamaica. Flow, listen. Me not do it again. Yesterday I left here, Vanny. 8:30 I left here. 8 o'clock, right? And if I don't right here, I go. When I reach on a flow, I practically 9 o'clock, 8:30, 9 o'clock. You want to know, say at 2:30 I get you? I turn up. I have to end up cuss off the people them down there. Flow Jamaica, please do better. Do not let me report you to the, why place them I will report them again? Ah, God. 14 hour police station now. What name again? Some commission, I don't remember I play. Yeah,
Go down. She got beer. You're lucky. You feel sure. Right in the shit I'm playing there.
Anyways, a EOJ and a EOJ name, man. Utility place and commission place. I remember. But they make me turn up down there till me foot them. Me say me think me a soldier. Think me there up our camp. You couldn't believe. So I'll talk to you guys.
Yeah, that cut good. Me not tell no lie. This cut good. Me say yeah, cut the churchyard, Melissa.
Sure.
Put it on the churchyard, make we say, Melissa, do this here.
I must with my
The
teeth.
weed walker.
So
Yeah, police are informed.
son, turn up. Auntie.
Jay,
Who, me? So when me not see how I gone? Eh? Can't get nothing in me ears right now. Man, think of beer. Bunny, stop thief my water and go like you remember. Can my water come? Why you going with my water? Can we sit? Thank you. Yo!
Man, same friend called him.
No! May I come?
20 grand for the pay one girl rent.
I pick up on my vlog. I pick up on my vlog. Me a YouTuber, you know, and you know. Yeah? Yeah, always.
So I can make social media.
No.
Make,
Me a go stop.
you're good, man. What are you guilty as?
Yeah, me no carry my tripod if you make you hold the phone. No, so I'm not expose myself up. What up, people? So I'm back from the gym. It's like, what time I know? Maybe like 1 o'clock. I'm feeling very, very tired because I'm not used to going to the gym, like working out at the gym from when. It's kind of new to me, so it's like I'm learning the gym again all over again, you know, so it's a learning process. So I did legs today. Tomorrow I'll be doing arms. I'm just going to take it easy, you know. I've been feeling really down though, you know. I woke up feeling down this morning. But I always say your emotion controls your emotion. So if me I say I feel down and I go joopy one lay down in a bed, and so it's gonna be worse for me. So I force myself to smile, I force myself to give myself something to laugh about, as well as it's okay to feel down sometimes, you know. It's normal, it's natural, you know. But I like feel down more because I not like not know me feel like in a depressive state, because I like depression feeling. It's so weird, like it's not a good feeling, but it's not really depression. I just feel sad today, like I'm just feeling down, you know. A lot is happening around us. For me, a lot of changes with me, and like this, my routine has changed. So maybe at that. So yeah, me just eat some street food, fried chicken and curry gravy and rice and peas. Not to eat healthy, but I haven't ate from morning because I'm doing intermittent fasting starting from yesterday. I'm doing the 16-8 fast for 16 hours and eat between an 8-hour window. So that was my first meal from morning. I did take my energy and my NutriBurst, you know, to help me with my energy and stuff like that. So but they are with Mr. Rose and all day with something. So later, if you don't see me, this is where the vlog ends. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely turn on your post notification bell. I really want to hear from you. Leave a comment in the comment section box below, baby girl, baby boy, baby. All right, later. So guys, I'm currently at the farm store. I'm looking at water boat for Tywin. They don't have the one that I want, and I don't see Tywin size. And Mr. Rosa talked about some if you get one of the ugly one here. Pretty water boat no work out. No ugly water boat, I want a pretty one. So that may look pan now, auntie.